Are you still manually tracking payments across Google Sheets, emails, and Slack? What if one click could fetch your leads, verify payment status, create ClickUp tasks, and notify your team automatically? Hey, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you how to build a complete payment tracking automation using N8N, connecting Google Sheets, ClickUp, Gmail, and Slack, step by step. Step 1. Manual Trigger Node. When clicking Execute Workflow, this node manually starts the workflow when you click Execute Workflow in N8N. It's useful for on-demand processing instead of automatic scheduling. Step 2. Fetch lead data from Google Sheets. Node. Fetch lead data from Google Sheets. This node retrieves all rows from the connected Google Sheet. It pulls lead details like lead name, company name, payment verification status, and overall status. The data is passed row by row to the next step for evaluation. Step 3. Check if status is open node. Check if status is open. This node checks whether the status column value is open. It acts as a decision point to control the workflow path. True, status is open. Proceed with task creation. False, status is not open. Send Slack notification only. Step 4. Create ClickUp task for payment verification node. Create ClickUp task for payment verification. This node creates a new ClickUp task for leads with open status. The task name includes the lead name, company name, and payment verification result. This ensures payment-related follow-ups are tracked in ClickUp. Step 5. Send email confirmation to Task Watcher node. Send email confirmation to Task Watcher. This node sends a confirmation email after the ClickUp task is created. The email includes the task ID and confirms that the payment verification task is ready for review. It keeps stakeholders informed automatically. Step 6. Send Slack notification, status not open. Node. Send Slack notification, status not open. This node runs when the lead status is not open. It sends a Slack message to the specified user with lead name and payment verification status. No ClickUp task is created in this path. And that's how you can automate payment tracking from start to finish. No manual follow-ups, no missed updates, just a clean workflow that does the work for you.